The only thing that scares me is missing time with my wife and my children. Not money, not success, not missing out, but time. Because one day you realize the real cost of distraction is not productivity, but it's being present. Busy looks impressive, distraction is easy because we're used to it, and suddenly, years down the line, you've realized you've wasted minutes on things that really didn't matter. Emails and unnecessary meetings. The book of your life wasn't created to make people better. It was created to make people honest, but just faster. So stop leaking time. Rule number 3. Be ruthless about your time. Because if you are not, someone else will be ruthless with your time on your behalf.